Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you or teach you how to access Steam voice chat in just a few ways. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, you need to open your account or open the software rather. Okay, after opening the software, you can have to log in your account, and after that, guys, as you can see, we have here a in the lower right corner, you can see here a friends and chat setting. So you can click that one, the icon, click that one, guys, and or um you can also click this one. Oh, let's have this one icon. So if you guys have a friend here, so you just have to click that name of your friend, and after that, guys, all you need to do, guys, is to go to the settings, and after going to settings, you can configure, you can select what microphone are you using, if you're using a external microphone or if you are using a built-in microphone. And after that, guys, you can also select where do the output will come, or so you can choose headphone or speaker for the output. And of course, after choosing those, guys, you can actually make some tests, microphone tests or the headphone tests. So after making that one, guys, you can actually now access your voice chat on Steam. So that's it, guys. I hope you learn and enjoy from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam. Thank you.